Joe Biden remains a healthy, vigorous, 78-year-old, and is fit to successfully execute the duties of the presidency, according to a physician's report issued Friday. Biden took a trip to Walter Reed Medical Center on Friday morning for his routine annual physical, White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki said early Friday. The president's physical included a colonoscopy, and there was a brief transfer of power to Vice President Kamala Harris while he was under anesthesia. Dr. Kevin O'Connor, physician to Biden, issued the summary. He wrote, "The physical included specialty consultation with several presidential specialty consultants at the medical center." O'Connor highlighted two observations that Biden affirmed. The first is Biden's tendency of throat clearing and coughing during speaking engagements. Psaki has been asked about what appears to be a persistent cough in the past, and concerns have been waved away. According to O'Connor, "He has exhibited such symptoms for as long as I have known him, but they certainly seem to be more frequent and more pronounced over the last few months. It is acknowledged that this perception may be artificially confounded by the undeniable fact that, as president, a much greater attention is directed toward his public engagements as compared to that which he experienced in previous conditions. Nevertheless, this symptom is clearly present, and warranted detailed investigation." The second observation was about Biden's gait, which the doctor described as being noticeably stiffer and less fluid than it was a year or so ago. The summary noted that Biden works out at least 5 days per week, and put him at 184 pounds. Also, Biden suffers from a fib with normal ventricular response, hyperlipidemia, gastroesophageal reflux, seasonal allergies, spinal arthritis, and mild sensory peripheral neuropathy of both feet. He takes 3 prescription medications and 2 over-the-counter medications for his medical considerations. Biden's physical comes amid lackluster approval ratings. One Tip Insights poll, released November 1, found that 50.2% of respondents disagreed with the statement that the president is mentally sharp. A Morning Consult, Politico poll released Wednesday also found that 50% of respondents believe Biden is not stable and not in good health.